What is up and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about the latest addition to IFTTT's applets collection, and that is LinkedIn. So basically I have shown you already on the channel how do you go ahead and automate your Pinterest and your Tumblr with the help of IFTTT. In this video I'm going to show you how do you go ahead and automate your LinkedIn, meaning what I do basically is whatever I post on my Pinterest account, it automatically gets posted on my Twitter, my Tumblr, and on now since the new edition, it goes ahead and gets posted on my LinkedIn as well. In today's video I'm going to help you to set up that particular applet about LinkedIn for your Pinterest. So basically it's if this then that, right? So this is going to be the RSS feed, because I don't know, for some reason Pinterest as in this or a trigger service is not working for me. So I have went ahead and changed it to the RSS feed altogether. What it does is basically it fetches the particular post or creative from your RSS feed, and it's gonna post it automatically on your LinkedIn profile. How do we go ahead and do that? Let's get started. I'm going to show you in this particular video, especially if you're a solopreneur who actually goes ahead and writes the scripts, edits, records, creates a thumbnail all by yourself. It's going to be really difficult for you to go ahead and start sharing all of your media or all of your videos on all the social network platforms. And trust me, when you go ahead and share your videos on other social network platforms, is basically the backlinks that you're creating, which is going to get you a lot of organic traffic. It's going to be slow, of course, not compared to, as compared to the Google Ads, it's definitely going to be slow, but it's going to be much more stronger. Let's get started. How do we go ahead and automate your LinkedIn profile with the IFTTT application? Alright, so before connecting, I just wanted to show you what are the possibilities with the LinkedIn applet that you can do. So these are the permutation combinations that you can go ahead and select. Basically, for instance, if you're a Medium writer, you can post Medium post by you to your LinkedIn directly. You can connect Facebook pages to LinkedIn with the hashtag. Now, with hashtags is going to be really important. Hashtags really play a vital role on LinkedIn, as we all know it. So if you post anything on your Facebook pages, it's gonna get fetched automatically to your LinkedIn account. As I said at the start of the video, if you have your presence on Instagram or on Twitter, there is a way you can connect it with Instagram to LinkedIn altogether. But that's like gonna be a bit different as an audience factor anyway. However you want. The next one we have is share a Twitter link to LinkedIn and Facebook. The other one we have, so Twitter link to Facebook and LinkedIn. This is quite good if your primary presence is on LinkedIn, because then it is giving you two options to go ahead and further flesh it out to LinkedIn and Facebook altogether. New tweet with hashtag to LinkedIn. Whenever you post anything on Twitter, it's gonna get directly posted, and again it's a with hashtag thing. Instagram to LinkedIn pages and Twitter. Blogger to LinkedIn. Blogger is another good option. Quickly post to LinkedIn, so directly go ahead and post to LinkedIn. And there is WordPress to LinkedIn. And the last one we have is RSS feed to LinkedIn. So this is the one that I'm going to show you in today's video. Now, as we already saw, I have 3 applets connected. Pinterest to LinkedIn is one of the applets. I am on the free application, on the free plan. So there are only 3 possibilities I can go ahead and connect it with. In order for doing that, what you need to do is, now mind you, I won't be able to show you the entire process of integrating your LinkedIn account to the IFTTT server, because I've already done it for my particular application. But what you can do is, as per the trigger service, basically you're going to land up on a very blank page over here. This is going to be if this and that. Just click on that, just change the trigger service and search for RSS. If you have Instagram or Twitter as your primary audience, you can go ahead and select it. You can go ahead and search it as per that. It allows you to go ahead and connect it with your Twitter and your Instagram and so on and so forth. But I'm going to show you with the RSS feed, as I already told you. Pinterest, for some reason, the Pinterest applet is giving me some problem. Anyway, when you go ahead and get on the RSS feed, these are the 2 things that you're gonna be able to see. The first thing is new feed item. So basically, whenever you post anything on your Pinterest, may it be an idea pin, may it be a video pin, or may it be an image pin altogether, you repin something, it's gonna get automatically fetched on your LinkedIn. And the second one that we have over here is new feed item matches. So basically that is gonna work as per the keywords. Whenever you add a particular Pinterest pin with a certain keyword or a hashtag, let's say, it's going to get fetched only if you add that particular word in a particular a post. So I'm not gonna go ahead and do that because I want everything, whatever I pin on my Pinterest account, to get posted on my LinkedIn. I'm gonna go with the new feed item, and then it's gonna ask you for the RSS feed link. Now, in terms of the RSS feed link, it's gonna be your profile link altogether. However, you need to just add feed.rss in front of the link so that it gets it basically turns into a RSS feed. Now, mind you, another thing is a lot of people go ahead and make a mistake of adding just RSS. Just RSS is not gonna get connected because we are fetching it from a feed altogether. Pinterest is the feed over here, so feed.rss is gonna work and it's gonna get connected. The next thing that you're gonna do is you need to add the action service over here. For adding the action service, I'm gonna go ahead and search LinkedIn as the platform. The moment you go ahead and select LinkedIn, it's gonna give you two options. Either you can share a link or you can share an update. Now, sharing a link is obviously gonna be really better because sharing an update is just gonna give you a textual update. It actually tells you over here as well. IFTTT also tells you this action will share a text update on your LinkedIn profile, and which is not going to create a backlink kind of a thing. For instance, if a user clicks on that, it's not gonna happen, it's not gonna land him anywhere. So I want to go ahead and select it as per the share a link option. What you need to do is just make this particular thing as it is, and in case if you're receiving, I mean, based on whatever the LinkedIn feed it is giving you, to be really honest, it's a new applet that has been added, so it is still the WIP feature, I guess, because there are small glitches that I was able to notice on this particular app. But apart from that, it works really good. So just you can go ahead either by the default and click on continue value, or in case if you want to go ahead and further customize it based on the entry published. So basically, entry published is the time that you have posted anything on your Pinterest, that particular pin, it's gonna show that. So I don't think that is something which is required. Sorry, I got a call. Anyway, so basically entry publish is going to give you that particular date and time, so I don't think that is something which is required. I'm going to remove that, but you can go ahead and set it up manually. You just test it out first, add a particular Pinterest pin, and then go ahead and check how is it looking. Based on those particular alterations, you can make these changes. And in case if you want to add it again, just click on this insert ingredients option here, and it's gonna allow you whatever you want to add, like entry, title entry, URL entry, author entry, content. So yeah, and just once you're done, just click on continue and click on update. That is about it. This is how you go ahead and connect your LinkedIn with, this is how you go ahead and automate your LinkedIn with the IFTTT application. It's the new applet that has been added by IFTTT. Please go ahead and check it out. And if you find this particular video helpful, guys, please hit the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with another hack for you guys. Till then, keep watching the channel and keep geeking.